Cabbagetown has one of the largest collection of Victorian homes in all of North America. This stunning home at 30 Amelia Street is a perfect example of one of them. Originally built in 1880, this home has been fully renovated and meticulously restored, offering a seamless blend of contemporary updates with heritage details. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Upon entering this home, you are immediately struck by the soaring ceilings, open light-filled spaces, beautiful original moldings, designer light fixtures, and gleaming hardwood floors. A functional wood-burning fireplace adorns the expansive living and family rooms at the front of the home, complemented by a beautifully appointed dining room and chef's kitchen with custom banquette and pantry at the rear. The kitchen is truly a showstopper. Walk out from the kitchen to the private gardens and dedicated two-car parking off the lane. The gardens are a hidden gem and are so special they have been included in the Cabbagetown Preservation Association's Hidden Gardens and Private Spaces tours. When the current owners first saw the home, they fell in love with the garden's quaint simplicity and intimate covered porch. They painted, excavated, leveled, and laid new slate flagstones, planting lush perennials, ferns, and annuals. It is a beautifully private space for the homeowners to enjoy. Second floor also offers ample space and great ceiling height with 3 well-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The principal suite is a delight, a quiet escape from the rest of the home with its own private terrace and ensuite bath. The lower level has been dug down, featuring a sizable in-law or nanny suite with a separate entrance and walk up to the front yard that could easily be cordoned off from the main living space to offer income potential. The lower level also features a recreation room, laundry room, multiple storage spaces, and a 4-piece bath. This home has many conveniences and luxuries and is perfectly positioned within the neighborhood. It is steps to Cabbagetown's finest shops and restaurants and moments to downtown. Arrive at Amelia full of expectations that will not disappoint.